All right, so here is my DIY. I think this looks great. And for the price, you can't beat it. Hello, and welcome to the Fright Chronicles. My name is Ashley, and if you're into Halloween, horror, and all things spooky, then you've come to the right channel. So if you haven't already, make sure you slash that subscribe button and join the Fright fam. Because today's episode is going to be another Halloween hunt. We're going to check out a couple of stores. I want to see if I can find any more Halloween inside DD's. And there's a DIY project I want to do at Dollar Tree. So I want to see if Dollar Tree has all of the items. And of course, CVS is starting to put out their Halloween. So I want to check my local CVS. So come along and join me on this spooky adventure as we are on the hunt for Halloween decorations. Okay, we checked them out a few weeks ago. So now let's go in and see if they have any more items on the shelves, because the last time they just had Summerween. So hopefully they have regular Halloween. Here's some pillows. There's one that says, "Hey Boo," and this one. And then this one says "Trick or Treat." This is for like Summerween, $2.99. Oh, that one's got a witch's hat. Oh my goodness, this is funny. This would be me. $9.99. Lifting weights on the jack-o'-lantern. That's cute. This says "Good Morning" for $2.99. Oh, this is cute. For $3.99. Oh, this one lights up. This is $4.99. Here's a countdown for $4.99. There's another countdown for $4.99. And here's outdoor mat for $6.99. Dogs. And then that's classic style Halloween for $6.99. There's a sign that says, "Pick your poison, drink at your own risk." And Declan keeps on trying to give me poison. I don't know what that's all about. Rest in Pieces for $3.99. Here's this sign. Oh, I like this. Horror movies, let's watch for $4.99. That's really cool. This one says, "Get in, loser, we're going haunting." Heck yes. This one says, "If you've got it, haunt it." Finally, some peace and quiet. And this sign is $5.99. And here's a bigger one. "Do not disturb. Beware, dead inside." This one is $10. Wow, and that's a really big sign. "Let's go, ghouls," for $4.99. And it says, "Let's get spooky," for $5.99. And we've got this ghost for $3.99 and this skull for $5.99. And here is a quilt. It says $16.99 and under. This is $10.99. This one has spider webs on it for $12.99. This one is $12.99. And then the other one is fall. I didn't even see this big sign. It says "Spooky," $9.99. Okay, now we're gonna head back inside Dollar Tree because it's right next to DD's, and there is a Halloween DIY I want to try. So let's go in and see if they have all of the items. Okay, and it looks like we found more Halloween. Here is these candle holders, and I've seen a lot of DIY people doing cool stuff with these for $1.50. And we've got these. This one is cool. The haunted house. And then we've got the ghosts, Trick or Treat. And then we've got some bats. Here's metal decor. Ghost. And then another ghost. Oh, here's some LED taper candle lights. Water globes. We've got a mummy dog and a ghost walking a dog and a black cat. Oh, I like the base on this one for $1.50. And then we've got this skull with a raven or crow. And then there's a black one. Oh, this is cool. This hand soap. It's Frankenstein's monster. Oh, I like that for $1.50. And then here is a skull. And then we've got a ghost. Now this one smells like coconut lime. Okay. I hope he smells good. Sweet cherry scented. Interesting. Here's some more LED candles. There's a mini skull tree. Oh, it lights up. I don't know if it's picking it up on... Yeah, here we go. So it does different colors. That's cool. And then here's this one with the jack-o'-lantern and the cat on top. That's actually really cute for $1.50. Fairy garden house for $1.50. Vintage style cat for $1.50. I think these are from last year, but I'm not sure. Vintage style for sure. Oh, and then the ghost. I didn't even see the ghost. That one's cool. Super cute. These little standing ghosts. Definitely Michael's vibes for sure. This hand. All this $1.50. Wow. Here's an LED lantern for $1.50. The tombstone. And then here is a haunted house. Here is another little fairy house. Cute. Oh, I didn't even see these. It's bleeding candles. And then here is this black rose and it lights up. And here is oh my goodness. Wow. Beware, come in if you dare. Ooh, ooh. Here, I'm gonna go trick my mom. Hey, there's something special in here for you. Can you open it up?
Okay.
No.
Okay, now okay, now.
It's kind of fun, huh?
Yeah, I guess.
The spider. So that's $1.50. And then there's this one too, the Dead and Breakfast Inn with the spider. Declan would love that. That's so fun. Ooh, and what is this? The Witchcraft Book of Spells. Oh, and it's got another spider. Oh my goodness. So creative. And they've got some signs. It says Happy Halloween. And this one is Home Spooky Home. Oh, $5. And then here's a Frankenstein's monster. That's really cute. It says welcome. And what is behind that? Ooh, a witch. She's cool. My pretties. Some ghosts, and it says trick or treat. And down here we have some doormats. It says Home Sweet Haunted Home. And then here's another one, Seriously Spooky. This one, Beware, and these are $5. Oh, I love the colors on this one. Just a little baddie for $5. Wow. So this is what I was talking about that people do is they get these for $1.50, and then they get this candle holder for $1.25, and they glue this on top, and you've got a neat candle holder. You put an LED light in there, and it's super cute and cheap for Halloween. And they even have ornaments as well. Okay, I know CVS is starting to put Halloween out, so let's go inside and see what we can find. Okay, well, they do have a few items. Here is a Hello Kitty inflatable for $39.99. And here is a cat pillow for $19.99. Here's a Peanuts throw for $15.99. And here is a Halloween, it says candle LED holder for $5.99. Here we go. Here is a character pillow and throw set for $19.99. Snoopy. Oh, that's a cute design. Cowboy design. We've got your Halloween candy already. And here is a bust for $14.99. Very gothic style. And then her as well for $14.99. And then here is a crow for $9.99. Here is a haunted house for, oh, and they've got it turned on. It is $19.99 for this. Here's a witch's boot for $14.99 with the spider web. And we have a spooky tree. And here is this Peanuts pillow. There's no price on these yet. And here's a few more items. Here is a pumpkin with a snake on it for $19.99. Oh, and this wreath is really cool. Oh, it's got these snakes on it. Oh my goodness. For $34.99. Wow. These snakes just look so realistic with how they move. Gross. And here is a Hello Kitty throw for $19.99. And a cute Hello Kitty pillow for $16.99. Oh, and we've got some Kit Kat with Dracula, and those are $7.59. Oh, here's a picture for $9.99. That's really cool. Here is a book for $14.99. Oh, here we go. A witch. She lights up. And she is $24.99. Let's see if we can get her to light up. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's cool. There's a crow with the books. And this is $14.99. And a potion bottle. Spider venom for $12.99. Okay, so that was a super successful hunt. Got everything I wanted at Dollar Tree, so I'm going to do my little DIY project. And also great items, fun items, cool items at CVS. I was shocked. I actually haven't been to a CVS to check out their Halloween in a really long time. I normally just go to Walgreens, so that'll definitely be on my list next. So if you like this type of content, make sure you join the Fright fam by slashing that subscribe button below. And until next time. All right, so here is my DIY. Got this for $1.25, this for $1.50. I think the lights $1.50, and then the glue was maybe $1.25. I can't remember. I did go with the LED string lights, orange. I mean, you really can't beat the price. To me, this looks so cool. I think this looks great. And for the price, you can't beat it.